How to transfer players in Fantasy Premier League. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application FPL. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now head over to Fantasy at the bottom of the screen and then tap on Transfers over here. It will show you the formation of the player that you have. If you want to transfer the players from here, what you want to do is, first of all click on the player that you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer this player. Tap on Replace. It will land you on this page. First thing you should know that in order to transfer players, you must have enough amount with you. From all of those players, select one of the players that you want to replace. Right here you can see that the placement has been done. In order to confirm, tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Once again tap on Confirm at the bottom right corner. And there you go, the player has been transferred successfully. Likewise, you can transfer any of the player that you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can transfer players on Fantasy Premier League. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.